asked you all in a poll, should I color my hair purple? And 69% of you said, yes, girl, sounds pretty. So I did it and I will reveal it to you soon. Are you ready? Let's go.
Ladies make the boys say, they looking at your body. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Special thanks to our sponsor, Afsister from Afsisterwig.com. This wig came with 2 wig caps as well, a light beige one and a black one. This is their Taylor human hair bob lace wig in Silky Straight. It feels so soft and I love how they plucked the hairline, so I really didn't have to do too much to it. Click the link below to purchase this hair or visit Afsisterwig.com and find one that's perfect for you. Below on the right, I'm going to show you all the details of the wig, but I used 40 Developer as well as a blue tint powder in order to bleach it the way I wanted it to. I wanted it to come out light but not too light so that the purple wasn't too vibrant because I don't want to, you know, stand out too much. And I was thinking of going more like towards streaks, so that's exactly what I did. But anyway, so I tried to apply it evenly. But leaving the roots alone because I wanted the baby hairs and all of those hairs to kind of blend in with mine. And if I wanted to push it back a little bit on my hairline, it still would look like, you know, kind of natural, like as if I just colored my own hair. So I actually want to speed up this process, but during this time I was doing this really slow, going through each piece, making sure I got the front and the back, just taking my time. Then I let it sit. Total process was like 45 minutes. Rinsed it out really, really good after all of this. You see this? And mind you, it was really hot, like hot to the touch. But I took my time, I rinsed it out, and then I made sure to blow dry it. I know you're seeing it wet right now, but I made sure to blow dry it. And during this time, I noticed I missed some spots. So some spots was a little bit darker, but that's okay because the purple that I was trying to use would blend nice. So I did purple as well as pink. I didn't show the pink in here, but I did purple as well as pink, and you're about to see how it turned out. Comment below, ladies, and let me know, do you like this hair on me? Yes. And what should I do to it? Should I do something different? Do you guys feel I should go long in purple, shorter in purple? Should I do the whole thing purple instead of just highlights? It's pink and purple. I'm not sure if you guys can really tell that here, but I'm definitely going to put up pictures so you can see it better. But it's like pink and purple, and I absolutely love it. And in the sun, it looks even a million times better. So yes, and it feels incredible. And no matter how much I manipulate it, ladies, it still looks and feels so good, which is so important to me because, you know, Kelly really don't know what she's doing when it comes to hair, and I be experimenting. So it's important that it still feels and looks good afterwards because I still plan on wearing this joint. You feel me? I'm so tired of spending hundreds of dollars on lace wigs that I don't even wear a lot or end up not even really liking. Or it looks cute initially, but as soon as you start manipulating it and washing it and this and that, it starts to look like crap. I can't tell you how many times I washed this. I can't tell you how many times I bleached this. I can't tell you how many times I put color in it. And it still looks and feels amazing. In fact, it probably feels better than it did when it initially came in the pack. That's never happened to me. And I plan on wearing this wig a whole lot because I really just want to just be purple, right? Because I love purple. So I think I just want to keep the purple hair for a while, depending on what you guys say. I want you guys to click the poll and let me know if I should keep the purple, if I should go more purple, if I should do the whole thing purple. What exactly should I do? Because I want to do it, all right? And I'm not gonna lie, I love the quality. I think the hair is amazing. And one of my favorite things about it is the price. The price you are paying for the quality is incredible. Don't forget to use coupon code PRETTY10 for 10% off of your order. I love you all so much. Don't forget to check out this video if you missed it and subscribe. Awkward moment time.